Then once you have this pentagon shape, you want to take the pentagon, push in the sides with your fingers, like this. See how I do that? Then you have like a round shape like that. You want to do that on all the sides. Don't mind my chickens. They're wondering what I'm doing. I'm gonna say hi to Amy. She's over here with me, making paper stars. And yesterday, during lunch at school, I learned how to do this. And now I've already made like 100 of these. And I've given them to my friends, my teachers, and some random people at school. And then I came home, gave one to my bus driver, gave some to my parents. But then, you're done. Little cute baby star. Then I can just, and with that, the video is over, and I have one more paper star. Chickens, what do you want to say? Toby's just cleaning herself. Hey, Toby, chicken. Becky, what do you want to say, chicken? What do you want to say? Oh, you want them to like and subscribe and check out the merch? That's what you want? You want the same thing? And with that, I think it's time for you to subscribe.